Pretty amazing. Can't wait to see what turns out there. You know, late January to early February is usually the peak of the flu season here in Florida. But for now, cases of the virus have remained unusually low. Well, let's look into this deeper. Fox 13's Catherine Hawley live in Tampa. And yeah, Catherine, it wasn't so long ago that medical experts were warning us that this could be an especially bad flu season. I remember the term twindemic being thrown around. What changed?
Well, Chris, this is definitely uncharted territory, having both COVID-19 and influenza co-circulating. And with the viruses being so similar, officials were worried it would mean double the demand on our healthcare system. Well, it turns out all of the precautions we've been taking to slow the spread of coronavirus could be the reason the flu isn't spreading. You can add seasonal flu to the list of things that just haven't been normal since the coronavirus pandemic hit.
Maybe a little too early to say there's no flu season, but at this point, we really have not seen influenza circulating really at all in our community.
And that's definitely unusual. Almost every county in Florida is reporting mild to no flu activity. According to the Department of Health, positive cases have been sporadic since the season started. And looking at the last 3 seasons, you can see influenza is typically widespread this time of year.
We don't really know whether it's because it would have normally been a mild flu year. But, you know, I really do think that the public health measures that we're taking to prevent coronavirus infection are also affecting flu transmission.
So all of the extra disinfecting, hand washing, and mask wearing is doing double duty. Experts say it's likely a combination of things that's keeping the spread of flu-like illness down so low. More flu vaccines were distributed, people aren't gathering in large groups, and international travel is significantly reduced.
If you take these things seriously, you know, it's not just the pandemic you can knock down. It's actually a lot of these respiratory pathogens.
And it's not just here in the Sunshine State. The CDC reports minimal flu infections nationwide, much lower than usual for this time of year.
I actually hope some of the practices will stick. I think people this year more than ever have been much more attuned to their personal health and making sure that when they don't feel well, they don't go out. They don't try to go to work.
And experts say while flu cases are still super low, there is a chance that could change in the coming months. They say if you happen to be sick, since there is so much overlap between the 2 viruses, it's probably a good idea to get tested for the flu if you do get a negative coronavirus result. Chris?
Yeah, it does make sense, though, that all the things we've been doing, especially just staying out of each other's space, has probably helped cut down the spread of a lot of things. So let's hope we continue to see those flu numbers remain low. Thank you, Catherine.